Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and today we're going to talk about some of the extra installation stuff that can be set up. Amazing things what happens when you actually read the manual. So I did the unboxing, so now that I read the manual, we can talk about some of the other things that can be done. So I was talking about this piece right here. This actually slides into the top here, which makes a nice little phone or tablet holder. Next thing I'm going to talk about is the tension spring. As I said, I felt this is a little bit too easy to move back and forth. The side to side's fine. So what you do, first thing you want to do is you want to move the landing gear lever up, which it already is, and you want to loosen these screws. I am one-handed, so I cheat, but using the wrench provided, go ahead and pull those up. They do have a nice built-in stopper that keeps it from falling out. So after you've used the Allen set provided, unscrew screw number 1, screw number 2, and you just want to go ahead and remove this backing off. You will find, again, I'm one-handed, so I'm cheating. The new spring is right back here. These are the springs that are in here for tension, and I'm pretty sure that you can go down in the hardware store and adjust those, but I feel that with this fourth one, it's exactly where it's supposed to be. So what I did is I looped, I'm not sure if you can see that, or if it's still even looped. I've already did drop this in here once, and it's a lot of fun to fish back out. So we're going to attempt this one more time just to see if I can get this to go again. So first thing I did is put it through the hole. There it is. Oh, actually, this is going to be difficult with the camera. And I just dropped it in there. Anyway, what you're doing is you're hooking it to the top piece right here, running it and stretching it using the screwdriver is good, and hooking it around the back side here. That gives you a lot more tension. If you do what I did, you have to use a screwdriver to fish it back out. I see it down in there. It will come out. You just kind of use a screwdriver to fish it out. And there's that. Second part we were talking about was how to install the little extra deal here for the throttles. Throttles in configuration that I want them to be in. At the top here are 2 holes. What you want to do is you want to aim this away and line up the top 2 holes there, the 2 interior ones, put the screw in, tighten down as you need, and there's that. Guys, have any questions or comments? The other thing I kind of didn't like about this, there's a whole bunch of loose parts here. I mean, even if you're not using this setup over here, it's a good idea to put these screws in so that way they don't disappear. Like I said, no place to stow all these extra parts. Anyway, when you're done with the yoke thing, with the tension spring, just hook it back in here on the back end first. Let it line up. Let it line up. There it is. Go forward. And tighten down using Allen set. Good luck. And if you guys have any questions or if I can help you with anything, please let me know. Thanks again for watching. Till next time, take care.